Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. So guys, I'm going to be traveling using a matatu. This matatu is taking forever to depart, but I know it will depart eventually. We have to wait for the matatu to be full so that we can depart. But it's taking some time and we had to wait for like 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm keeping myself busy looking around. And finally guys, the car started moving and I can't believe it that I'm going to be home in 1 hour 30 minutes. I want to capture the beauty of Kenya in Africa and bring it to you guys. I'm so anxious to go home and see my family. You know that anxiety that someone gets when you haven't been somewhere in a while and you're going there? That's how I feel right now. I can't wait to be home and see if something have changed there. Actually, right now, on the roadsides, I can see that a lot of things have changed. I can see that a lot of people are investing in real estate. I can see there are a lot of buildings that I never saw before, and also there are some developments going on. So maybe at home something have changed. I don't know. I just want to see. Now guys, it's 14:29 and I feel like this car is moving too slow. I just want to be home. I just noticed that when you start vlogging, even when the matatu is squeezed, you get a little bit of space to yourself. So I started vlogging and the person next to me just moved a little bit. So yeah, it just. So guys, when you're in a matatu that is squeezed, start vlogging and you might get some space to yourself. But be safe, because you don't want to vlog in a place where you're not safe and then your phone gets snatched. So guys, I'm about to get home and my phone is about to shut down because it's at 15%, and I'm trying to capture some videos around home. So if I don't vlog again today, guys, just bear with me. It's only that my phone just will be off and I don't know if I will find power at home. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to be home. I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss my brother, I miss home. Guys, just come along with me in this journey. Guys, it's the next day. I'm plaiting my mom's hair, and yesterday I didn't find power, and he is my little nephew. He's always happy and playful. He's the best. And here is Scooby. Scooby is our dog, is our home dog. He is also so playful. When I'm away from home, I miss him so much because he just keeps us company all the time. Here is the calf. I don't think she has a name yet. Here is the mom. She is so pretty and she always wants to be patted. When she sees a person near her, she comes for a pat. And the one sleeping over there, her name is Nyameni, and she is not in the mood for anyone today. Here is our little kitty. She she's eating, I think it's a mouse. And she's hiding because she knows if she brings it inside the house, she'll be disciplined for it. So she's hiding in the bushes to finish up the mouse. She looks like guys, this is a jiko made out of clay. My mom made it herself. She made some bricks out of clay and then she joined them together and molded the sides with clay. She calls it a mold jiko, and it cooks very fast. You should try it. Here we are in the shamba, it's farm. You can see we have some pumpkins, are our neighbors' children. This is Kimani and Gitao. They keep my mom company all the time when they're not in school, and they love our home. They enjoy themselves there, and yeah. Guys, we are taking a small stroll around the farm to show you guys some beautiful things and the greeneries we have at home. We have some banana stalks inside the coffee plantation, and the banana stalk are not some. We love bananas because they are best in terms of carbohydrate. As you can see, the kids are playful as usual. They are running around the farm and enjoying themselves. We're heading to the tea plantation. Guys, here is where I grew up, by the way, and we used to pick coffee when it's the season for coffee, mostly in the but when it comes to tea, the tea leaves grows back after every 14 days, so you have to prune it after every 14 days. So here guys, as you can see, we learn how to prune tea when you are very young. These kids know how to prune tea. In pruning tea leaves, you prune 2 leaves and 1 bud. So that's what you prune. And getting even a kg, it's very hard. And you have to, so for you to get paid, you have to prune for maybe 1 kg and above. You can't get paid for 1 kg and below. So guys, it's very hard. It's hard work to do this, so that's why as small kids you learn, so that you can go with your mom or your dad when they are pruning, and you can help them around so that you can get those kilos very fast. I'm showing you guys how I used to do it, and it was so tiresome back then. Right now I can see it's fun, but again it's tiresome, and you get a lot of sunburns in your arms, in your face. You get a lot of sunburns doing this. As you can see, a lot of people around home, they have the tea plantation. It's like the main source of work there. Many people are paid to do this job. I myself used to do it when I was at home. You prune at your own farm, and also you can prune for others and get paid. I think per kg back then we used to be paid 1 kg at 10 shillings. We took some pictures, as you can see guys. It was kind of fun. They are memory. So as I was saying, 1 kg at 10 shillings, and you can stay in the farm from morning to evening and get 7 kgs if you don't know how to prune tea. So it's very hard to do this job. So appreciate the tea when you drink it, because people have done a lot of work to. So guys, we're heading back home after doing the pruning, and I'm trying to get the best videos. And as you can see, we also have a lot of trees around. Here are some bananas from the banana stalks. They are so big. I want to capture the biggest of them all. Here we have 2 of them, the ones that you can see very clear. Bananas are very healthy for you. Guys, I'm trying to capture some of the trees that we have at home. Here is a mango tree. Beside it we have an avocado tree, and right now the mango tree has a lot of mangoes, but they are not of the right age to be picked. Also, we have a lot of banana stalks. We have a lot of banana stalks at home. Here my mom is trying to show you guys one of the big mangoes in that tree. There are a lot of them, but as I said again, they're not of the right age to be. These are some of the banana stalks and leaves for the cows. When we harvest the bananas, we give the stalks and the leaves to the cows as a part of their food. So here guys, I'm trying to show you one of my works. I made my mom's hair. I plaited my mom's hair. So comment down below on how did I do? Did I do well? Comment down below. There is guitar again, having fun. And I'm taking you along to show you my family. Here's my brother. He's saying hi to you guys. And yeah, he's saying hi to you guys. Yeah, he is also showing me some of the greeneries that they have planted. These are spinaches, and beside it you can see a tomato and some sukuma wiki. And the sugar canes are very big, guys. I'm going to carry one home. Here's my little nephew again, and the mom. Yeah, she is so pretty. Guys, here are some onions. They have really planted some greeneries around their home. Even if it's so sunny right now, there's no rain, they can still. So guys, I plaited my sister-in-law's hair, and she looks so pretty with it. Here, as you can see, it's knotless. It looks so pretty, so sleek. And those baby hairs, oh my gosh, she looks so slay. You can see there are some bananas around there. We have placed them there so that it can get dry, so that I can be able to pack them in, come back with them home. The kids are eating some bananas. They really enjoy eating some ripe bananas. So here we're having a moment. Me and my mom are having a moment, a mom-daughter moment. She's telling me goodbye because I'm heading home. We are taking some pictures, me, my mom, and the kids, so that I can have them as memories when I come back to Nairobi. I also took some pictures of my brother and my little nephew too, so that I can have them, because I didn't have pictures of my family in my phone. Because guys, here I had to say goodbye to my family. I'm feeling so sad when I'm going back home in Nairobi. That's why I didn't even film the whole goodbye, and also I had to rush because this was the last car to come to Nairobi. So guys, the journey to come to Nairobi was not as fun as the one of going home, because when I was going home I was so excited, but coming to Nairobi I was a little bit sad because I was saying goodbye to my family. But I have to come back to Nairobi for work, guys, you understand. Here is where I schooled at, guys. Here is where I schooled at, my whole entire high school. It's called Komodai Girls. It was a good school, one of the best actually. If you went to this school, please subscribe, or even if you know it. So I'm showing you the outfit of the day. I'm wearing a blue jumpsuit and a fluffy gray coat. It matched the outfit. And back to the journey. So guys, down here I'm going to show you a river that has gone almost completely dry. I saw it when I was coming home, but I didn't film it because my phone was off. So it has almost gone dry, but people are still taking it positive and taking some pictures with their families around there. It's where I'm pointing at. So guys, I'm going to stop filming here. Thank you for enjoying this video. Thank you for coming along with me to my village and enjoying the video, and please subscribe. Bye.